Welcome to the Kabul Military Training Center, commonly known as KMTC. It's the largest training facility for Afghanistan's Army, and it's responsible for training almost 30,000 soldiers each year. On this military compound, the training is done by the Afghanistan National Army, with support from the coalition forces. These Afghan soldiers have switched from the traditional AK-47 and are now qualifying with the M16.
We have gotten a lot of good feedback in the zeroing, grouping, and qualification here so that we know when the soldiers leave here they are capable of firing this weapon.
The Afghan National Army has authorized an end strength of 134,000 soldiers. So far, they've successfully grown to more than 87,000. Each one has a good reason to join.
While I
was in Iran, I became interested in joining the army, so I could serve my country. I returned to Afghanistan and saw my country getting better. I wanted to share in this development process and serve myself, my family, and my country.
This young recruit was working in Pakistan and wanted to return to his homeland.
I came back to my country to join the ANA in order to serve my own country, and soon our army will become self-sufficient.
For the Combined Security Transition Command Afghanistan, I'm Pamela Smith.